Hey everyone, so this video is going to be an unboxing, setup and demonstration for the Twinkly Smart Lights. These are the 400 strings. They're the red, green, blue and white Generation 2 lights. So these lights are smart lights that you connect to via Android or Apple using the app. They're Wi-Fi connected, Bluetooth connected and IP44 weatherproof. On the back of the box it gives you information about the length of the lights and the distance that they're spread and stuff like that. As far as unboxing goes, as you can see, you get the instruction manual, some stickers, the postcard, the lights, the adapter and the controller. Everything inside was packaged really well and securely, so it arrived undamaged. And the next part of the process is just going through and testing the lights. So once you've unboxed everything and installed the app, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. What you then want to do is press on the controller, press down on the button until the blue light changes color to a lighter blue, which is about 3 seconds or so. Once that light changes, then you open the app. And when you're inside the app, just select the type of lights you have. So this particular light, as you can see from the shape of the controller, is Generation 2. What you then want to do is connect to either your home network or direct Wi-Fi, so Bluetooth and direct Wi-Fi to the unit. If you've got a Wi-Fi unit at home or Wi-Fi at home, just use that because that is preferred. It'll find your connection, type in the password to connect and then hit connect. The next step is normally mapping the tree, but we've got 2 sets of lights that we want to test before we put them on the tree. So it's probably a good idea to do so just to make sure they're working, because you wouldn't want to put them on the tree and then have them not work. So we've just skipped that step for now. I'm actually going to add a second strand because we've got 2 strands. That'll actually take you back to the first screen to just connect them again. Once you've connected the second strand, you go through to the next stage, and this is where you can test them. So you'll see that there's 2 lines because we've got 2 sets, number 1 and number 2. And then what you want to do is make sure you just test them both. So in this case, you go into the little icon down the bottom in the middle, the wand. You can select the color. So you're going to want to check that the red, the green, the blue and the white is all working on all of the globes. So give them a quick once over, have a little look before you string them up, just so you can see if there's any faulty globes or if there's anything wrong with them. But these ones are all looking good, so it's time to put them on the tree. So we've got 2 sets of lights. We've joined them together in the app to form one long set of lights, and that's what it will register as, and join them together. You can do that in the devices section of the app. It's really easy to do. The lights split off in 2 directions, so we're just wrapping them around in opposite directions, as you can see here. It is really important to have some patience when you're setting up the lights, and the positioning of the lights makes all the difference. You want to make sure that the globe is visible from the outside of the tree, otherwise when you map it, it may not identify the globe properly. So the closer to the outside and the more visible from the outside of the tree, the better it will be. As far as mapping goes, that's the next step here. So when mapping, it'll activate a flash in a sequence of different colors to identify each globe. You can take it from multiple angles, but the first photo is actually going to be the front of the tree. You can take it from different distances, but what you want to make sure is that the lights go green by the end of it. Red means it hasn't picked it up, orange you can take more angles, and green is good. That's what you're looking for. So start from the outside, then you can work your way further in. So once you're happy with the results and all of the lights are green, you just go to the mapping process, you complete the map, and if you're happy with it, hit OK. The next is the fun part. You get to go through the gallery, and here are some of the examples of the types of lights you can set up. You can even design your own. You can draw live on the tree. I haven't found that works very well, but it's possible. Obviously, if there's so many different designs, you can customize and blend different designs. You can change the speed, you can change the width of the stripes, you can even change the colors of a lot of the preset designs. You can mix them up and create your own and just have a lot of fun with it too. Help as far as finding the front of the tree, a good tip is the 3D rainbow, one of the presets. it will go to the front center of the tree. So that's a really good way to find out if you're not quite sure what's been mapped once you push a tree back in. That will definitely help you. But as you can see here, this is the final result. This is all 800 lights. It's probably a bit overkill for a tree of this size, but we wanted a lot of dense color and we're very happy with the results. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any other questions, so please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I hope you're all having a fantastic day, morning or evening, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.